Guys, welcome to this amazing free course. Inside this course, we will going to teach you how you can set up a complete website using AI tools. So we will going to teach you how you can use AI builder tools, how you can use ChatGPT and Google Bart to generate amazing prompt so that on basis of that prompt, we can create website very easily. So you can basically go to AI and you can just say to AI, to write prompt for you can see here. So what we can do in this free course is that we can just make these tools like ChatGPT to write this prompt. We can just paste this prompt here, and then this AI builder will going to create amazing and stunning website for us in a few minutes, and we can totally customize that website as well using this AI builder as well. You can just change it, customize anything, you can make it 100% responsive, and along with that you can use the predefined templates as well, which is created by AI as well. So we will also going to teach you how you can import that templates. So without any technical knowledge, without any coding skills, just by giving commands which we will going to create using ChatGPT and Google Bart. So just by giving those commands, you can create website which is 100% mobile, desktop as well as tablet friendly without doing any coding. So if you guys are interested to create a website from starting from scratch, so we will going to guide you from scratch everything how you can create a website using AI tool or artificial intelligence. So do watch this free course from starting to end. So now guys, to use basically AI for website creation, we need to take the help of a hosting. Okay, so Hostinger provides us to create websites using artificial intelligence. So you just need to type this, that is hostinger.com/bingcommerce. If you type this URL, you will exactly go to the Hostinger's website of your country. Okay, I will also, you can, if you do not want to type it, I have also provided the link in the below. Okay, in the video description, or in the resources. So just tap there and you will come to this link. So after, you will click on enter button, so you will exactly go to the Hostinger's website for your particular country, because in my country you can see it has redirected me to my country. So similarly for your country, it will redirect you to your country's Hostinger website. Okay, and from here also you can of course change it if you want to, but in my case it has provided me the correct one. Okay, so just click on that website, you will directly go to the exact website from exact website of Hostinger. Okay, and after you will do this, my friends, what you need to do is that you need to go with this website builder. So this website builder is the option that will going to help us to create website using AI in a very simple and easy way. Okay, so you will see this website builder option here as well. For some country it will show under hosting, so just check out, but this is the option you have to go on, that is website builder. So click on this website builder option, my friends, and after you will click on this option, my friends, you can just scroll down and you will see the plan here. Okay, that's this website builder and web hosting together. Okay, so you can see all AI features you will going to get here. Okay, so that will going to help us to create a website, and you can see you will also going to get free domain, free email as well, 24/7 support as well, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited SSL. Okay, so these are all the features you will going to get. Free email means you can get a professional email for you, okay, which you can use to send emails to your customers. Okay, and you will also going to get 24/7 support as well. Unlimited bandwidth means people can use the resources unlimited times. Free SSL, you will going to get unlimited SSL. So basically SSL is this log. So in every website you will find this connection is secure, so that is because of SSL certificate. You can create up to 100 websites as well. So in case if you are not satisfied with one website, so you can create more 100 websites in total, right? You will also going to get all e-commerce features as well. So maybe you want to start your e-commerce business, so with AI, artificial intelligence, you can also do that. You will going to get 0% transaction fee, marketing integrations, you will going to get many marketing applications, 150 templates you will going to get, drag and drop editor you will going to get. So basically you just have to click on this add to cart button, my friends, and after you will going to do this, you will basically go to the plan. Okay, and for every country the procedure will be 100% same. It's only difference with the currency. So in India we have INR, that is Indian currency. But if you will again just go to that same website, that is hostinger.com slash Bing commerce. Okay, just for an example, let me show you. If you just go to here, and let's say you are from United States. Okay, so in your case it will be, let's say, United States website. So in, if you are from United States, so using my link, if you will click, so it will automatically going to redirect you to here. Okay, and here also you will see the same thing, website builder, and you will going to find everything in dollars. So that's the only difference, it's about the currency. Okay, so of course if you will click on my link, so it will only going to redirect you to the website of your country, okay, of hostingers. Okay, so you will going to get the currency according to your country. That's it. And from here, my friends, you can see we are getting the option to choose a period, right? So you can, more longer period you will going to take, more saving you can do, and more benefits you will going to get, in a very simple language. But I will always going to suggest at least take for 12 months, because it will not going to cost you, you can say it will only going to cost you this much of amount. And let me also show you guys, you know, in US dollars as well, because majority of my students are also from different countries, and they love to see the pricing in US dollars. So you can see, if you will just go for 12, it will going to cost you approx just $49. But of course more longer period you will going to take. Okay, so my friends, you will going to get hosting for almost 4 years, and just for $169. So that's very cheap, right? Very cheap. If you go with some other hosting, so they will not going to provide you with AI facilities. So Hostinger is superb in this case. They have a very powerful, and the best thing is that they have SSD storage as well. So that makes this 100% amazing, with 30 days money back guarantee as well, right? So enough for you. But I will always going to suggest, go for the maximum plan if you can. And not only that, we can also provide you more discount. You can just use Bing commerce coupon code. Just use Bing commerce, click on the apply button, and you will going to get extra discount. You can see you will going to get extra discount when you will going to use this coupon code. So idea is somehow that simple. But similarly, if you are from any country, if you just use that same coupon code, it will going to work for every one of you. Okay, so see, right now I'm Indian one, so still it's working for me as well, and it has given me amazing discount. So that is what I just want to tell you. Make sure you guys just go ahead and at least take the 12 months, because you will going to get free domain here. But if you can afford, so I highly recommend you guys to go with the 48 months. You will going to get 2 months extra. That means 4 year plus 2 months extra you will going to get, and you can just save up to $480. So that's an amazing thing. Okay, but make sure to apply the coupon code in whatever plan you are choosing. Bing commerce is the coupon code, you can apply it. Okay, so let me just go with my one. Okay, so I will, in my case, I will going to choose with the 12 months, and then I can just click on create your account. Okay, so I can just choose my or create my account, and after that, okay, let me just say, just click on sign up. You can put your email or sign up with Facebook or anything you want. Okay, so in my case I am using Google to sign up, and you can see I am in the Hostinger's website, and I have successfully signed up here. You can see Bing commerce is come here, that means I have successfully signed up. And then after you will choose this, make sure to apply coupon code to get extra discount, and choose the payment option. You can see in India we have this much of payment option. In United States, according to the country, you will going to get this much of payment option. So whatever you want to use, you can use that payment option, and you can just put the details and click on submit secure payment and make payment. Okay, so guys, after you will basically going to make payment, you just need to click on this start now button, and then my friends, you will see various options, and after this guys, you just need to click on I am creating it for myself. Okay, and then you can just choose, you know, any option you want. Okay, so you can say like I'm building it myself, let's say, and then you can just choose which type of website do you want. So you can just choose any one of them, but it's not like that, that if you will going to choose portfolio you cannot build online store here. Okay, so you can basically choose any option you want, but I will go with, let's say, portfolio. But still inside portfolio website you can build your online store, blogging facilities and everything. Okay, so just click on, let's say, this portfolio one. Okay, so do you need help building your website? No, thanks, basically. Okay, and then my friends, it will going to give you two options. Okay, whether creating a new website, or you, if you already have a website, so you can just migrate that website here. But in our case we will going to choose this one, that is create a new website, so that we can build it with AI. Okay, so just select this option, and then my friends, you will see a lot of options, like you can build with artificial intelligence, or you can build with WordPress. So in our case, that is but obvious that this course is all about this option, so we will going to select this particular option, right? And then it will going to give you the option to get a free domain, right? As I have said you, that if you choose at least for 12 months, you can see, if you choose at least for 12 months, so you will going to get free domain here. So basically, what is domain? Domain is like a address of your website. Okay, so for example, if I want to go to Apple's website, so I will just go and search here apple.com, so that I can go to the Apple's website. Similarly, let's say you want to visit Cuckoo courses. Okay, so Cuckoo courses, okay, .com. So this is basically the address of Cuckoo courses. This is apple.com is the address of Apple. So basically, to go to any website you require this domain name. So domain name is the name or address of your website. Okay, so that is like Cuckoo courses. This is cuckoocourses.com is the address or domain of the Cuckoo courses, right? So somehow you have understood the idea. So now let's claim a free domain from here. Okay, and of course you can just buy a domain from here as well, or if you already have an existing domain, so you can just select and put the name servers here. But in our case, I know that majority of you guys have at least taken this 12 months plan, okay, or more plan, but in all the plans you will going to get this same option to claim a free domain. So let's select this, and let's select a domain name. Okay, so for example, what we can choose is, let's say, any domain that is, you know, related to your business, your name, whatever you want. Okay, for example, Cuckoo courses has put cuckoocourses.com, Apple has put apple.com, right? So you can just change the extensions from here as well. Okay, for example, I can just say go with let me just see .com if available. So you should try to get the more preference to the .com. Okay, but it's not compulsory. Basically, you can choose anyone, but give a highest preference to .com first of all. Okay, so for example, I can say, let's say, AI. Okay, so let's put this and search for it, whether this particular domain is available or not. So it's already taken, so I can say AI website AI. Okay, anything, let's search for it. So I can see that this particular domain name is available for me, so I can use it. So according to your case, you can even change it if you want, or continue it with. Okay, so in my case, I will just going to click on this continue button, and then here you just have to put your primary details. Okay, just click on the next button, choose your country and put on the next button, and then you just have to add your contact address. Okay, and after you do this, just click on finish registration. You can see guys, after you will claim your domain, so this is how you will going to build here. So basically you can just click on start creating button, or if you again want to go to your panel, okay, that means hostinger panel which you have purchased, so you just have to type hpanel.hostinger.com, this particular url hpanel.hostinger.com. Then you can of course cross it, okay, and make sure that you just verify your email as well. So I will just go here and I will basically going to verify my email, right? So this is what it is. Okay, so this is for the payment, and then verify your email address. I will click on this verify email, and then you can see you have verified your email. Okay, so here we have this option, and you can just go to website, and from here also you can just manage everything. Okay, so you can just manage all the things, like you can just make website with hostinger and everything. Okay, again if you will just click on this option, and you can just click on this edit website, so again it will going to take you to the this place, that is builder.hostinger.com. even from here as well, if you will just click on start creating, so it will ask you basically a brand name, okay, uh, and your website type, which type of website you want to put, and the description. Okay, so description is like what type of website you want to create. Okay, so you can just write in very in depth, you can even see the example, and you can create a website directly. But in our case we will not going to do this, because I have tried it and it doesn't meet our requirements or our standards. So we will also going to create AI from scratch, from the template. Okay, I will teach you right now. But if you will try to do this, it will maybe go with your standards, but I will not recommend you guys to do. Take complete control over your website when we will going to create it from the scratch. Okay, like this. So we will going to teach you how you can do everything from here, and you can just simply cross it. Okay, cross this step, because I will not recommend you guys to go with this. So it still require hostinger to work on this particular path, and they are not actually very much good in this for now. Okay, so I will just going to close all the tabs which I have created, and I will only going to come here in this place. Okay, hey guys, before we just go ahead further, I want to do some requirement things. Okay, I want you to learn how to use ChatGPT. And if you don't know what is ChatGPT, history of ChatGPT, and how to use ChatGPT, so what you can do, my friends, in that case, you can just search for Kuku courses. Just search for this Kuku courses. So I will going to provide you, and just go to this link by the way, and I will going to provide you one free course for ChatGPT, which I want you to go ahead before you just start to learn and create, website with AI. Okay, so just click on this free courses. So basically in the next section we will going to teach you what is prompt, basically prompt engineering. Okay, so to understand the basics of prompt engineering, I want you guys to just go ahead and search for prompt, click on enter button, and then you will see this free course prompt engineering masterclass with 5 practical examples. So this course is like two shorts. That means if you watch this free course of 1 hour, so basically you will learn about what is prompt engineering. Along with that, within this course we have talked about ChatGPT and how to use ChatGPT. So it's very much a recommended course for you guys to just go ahead and watch this particular course, right? So the thing is that you do not require to do any sign up, you do not require to do any kind of or put any kind of card details to proceed further. You can just simply click on this start learning button, and then my friends, you guys are good to go. Okay, just watch this free course, just click on this play button and watch this course, right? So idea is somehow that simple. so sometimes our player may take little bit of time to open it. Okay, or in case if it face plenty of problem, so in that case you can just simply refresh it and watch it again. But this is how it will look, beginner's guide. And you can also change the settings, quality settings and all, but automatically this will automatically going to improve in 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so just watch this course and learn what is ChatGPT. Okay, what is the function, or I can say what is the technology behind ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, and also learn about prompt engineering with 5 practical examples. Okay, so I recommend you guys just cross it by the way, and I recommend you guys to just go ahead and watch this free course before you proceed further. Okay, similarly my friends, like ChatGPT, now you can just go ahead and click on this courses button or just scroll at very bottom. Okay, click on this free courses once again, and from here you can just search for BART. So you will see this free course, Google Bart AI chatbot, free Google Bart course for absolutely free. So make sure that in this course basically you can use either ChatGPT or Google Bart, both are same, but I recommend you just also go with this requirement as well. Okay, so this particular course is of 1 hour and it will exactly going to teach you from starting to end how to use Google Bart. Okay, with practical examples as well. So you can just again simply go ahead, click on this start learning button. Okay, and you can just play this video. Okay, so these are the 2 requirements, not compulsory requirements, but I want you guys to do, so that within this course in the next section where when we will going to talk about prompts and all these things, so you may aware about these terms and understand what we are doing actually. Okay, so you can just simply click on this play button. Hey guys, so basically inside this course as well we have taught everything. Okay, so basically Google Bart is LLM model. Now what is LLM? So to understand LLM you have to understand NLP, and to understand NLP you have to understand what is AI. So basically you in this course as well you will going to learn about Google Bart, what is the technology behind it, how to use it with 3 practical examples. So everything is taught here, so make sure you also watch it. So these are the 2 requirements I want you guys to go ahead before you proceed further with this course. Okay, so now guys, if we just go back here, okay, to the AI website, so here if you just click on the start learning button, but in case if you have gone to the scratch, so at top you will see this 3 menu. So from here just click on create with AI, you will automatically come here back. Okay, so as I said that it is not that much good, but it is not 100% true. That means if you just click on the start learning button, okay, so here my friends, it is very much important to know proper prompt engineering. Okay, so in that way, the thing is that you must know the prompt engineering. So as I have mentioned in my free courses, so I hope till now you have watched the prompt engineering and this particular course, so you might have understand that how to write a proper prompt means how to give response to this tools like ChatGPT. So if we going to use these tools to write a proper description, okay, for our project, or okay, so so this ChatGPT and Google Bart can give us a proper description for our business, and in that and on that basis this AI will going to create a website for us, right? So for example, my website is related to, let's say, food, or let's say it's related to, let's say, digital marketing maybe. Okay, so I can just name digital, let's say Kunal, something like this. Okay, and the website is related to, let's say, anything you can say, maybe I can say maybe let's say blog. Okay, so now here in the description we can just tell to this AI tool, which type of website we have to create. So you can see, just click on the see examples. Okay, so here you can see that on an example it has given an Italian restaurant might write, we serve our guests Italian wines and blah 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 blah, right, like that. Okay, so similarly we have to create such description and we have to put that here. Okay, and this is what we will going to do. We will going to use ChatGPT for this particular thing. Okay, so we will going to use ChatGPT, or even you can use Google Bard. So how you will going to do this? So let's see it. Okay, so you first have, as I have mentioned in my free course, you have to give role. You are expert in prompt engineering. Okay, wait, you're expert in prompt engineering and creativity. Okay, okay, so you are an expert in prompt engineering and creativity. Okay, and you can just write, you have 2 years of experience in writing effective and creative prompts. You can say like this, maybe you help clients to write effective prompts and with you can help clients to write effective prompts with creativity in prompts. Okay, and now what you can say is that you can, or you can say, now your task is to create prompts for me. Basically, I want to build website with AI builder, and that AI builder is asking me to write description how my website will be, and on that basis of description AI builder will generate website. Now your task is to write me description prompt so that I can put that in AI builder to generate my website. Before you give prompt description, if you want to ask me anything, you can. Okay, so my friends, you have to put this prompt here, okay, which I have written, and you will notice that first we have included the role. That means we are making this ChatGPT tool to feel that he is a prompt engineering and he is expert in creativity. Okay, and we have said that he has a good experience in writing prompt. Then we have told slowly that what we want. Okay, we said and we explained to this AI tool that we are building one website with AI builder and it is asking for description, so you help us to write description. Then at end we have said a very important thing: before you give prompt description, if you want to ask me anything, you can. So now you can just copy and paste this in the Google Bath as well. You can just get the response from Google Bath as well, or you can click on enter button, and on that basis ChatGPT or Google Bath will going to ask you some questions. You can see, sure, I can help you to write description prompt for your AI website builder. Here are the few questions to give. Okay, now it is basically asking you the questions. So basically this AI tool want to understand what is the purpose of yours to build the website. So you all know that we want to build or write the description. Now this ChatGPT and Google Bath is asking you some questions. So after you will going to give these questions to these AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bath, they will going to understand what is the purpose, and on that basis they will going to generate a beautiful and creative prompt for you, which you can put inside this AI builder. Okay, so AI builder can generate website for us. So now how you can you know get this answer? So it's very simple. Now you basically have to do one thing. You have to write like this one. Okay, so now one means we will going to answer the first question: what is the main goal or purpose of your website? Purpose is to provide digital marketing blogs. Okay, so that is what I have written. Then in second you can say, what is the target audience or demographic of your website? So in case I can say target audience is people who are interested in digital marketing. Simple. And demographic is both, and demographic is all gender. Okay, and you can say even location as well. Gender and location, like this. Okay, now third question, it is asking us, what type of content or information do you want to showcase on your website? Okay, example, e-commerce product, blog post, what? So you can say content type will be blog post and services related to digital marketing niche, or you can say field. Now to go to next line, you can just click on shift and enter. So you can see, if you press shift and enter together, so you can just go to next line on ChatGPT or Google Bard. Okay, fourth point, Do you have a specific style or theme in mind for the website design, minimalistic model, whatever you want? So let's say we want, let's say style should be colorful. Okay, and fifth, we can say, are there any specific feature or functionalities you want to include? Maybe contact form, search functionality, user registration, anything like that. So I can say features need to be included. Or now let's say I can say contact forms, search functionality. Okay, and you can write whatever you want. You can add more as well, right? And in the sixth point, I can say, are there any specific branding elements such as a logo, color, theme? Okay, so you can mention that as well. For example, any specific branding element such as a logo, so you can just say brand name is digital Kunal. Okay, and color scheme should be in I can say red, white and black combination. Okay, right? And the seventh will be, do you have any competitors website you admire for inspiration? So let's say we can search here digital marketing blogs, like this. Okay, and let's say we take Niels Patel's blog here. Okay, so I can just say like this, and I can provide this link here. So for inspiration you can take this URL. Okay, and in course you can just provide this URL like this. Okay, so just click on shift and enter, and now my friends, you can just say, hey, as per your above questions I answered everything. Now create prompt description for AI builder. Okay, I can say example example idea. Okay, so example idea, so here I can just put here like this. So ChatGPT or Google Bart will basically going to get idea. Example format, so example format is like this, so it will basically going to understand. And after you just do everything, you can just click on the enter button. Okay, and you can see it will start going to create beautiful description for you, right? And this is what it is, and you can just put the same thing to Google Bart as well. Okay, so you can see this is how it will going to look like, and you can see it has created the amazing description for us. Now we just need to optimize this particular prompt in one paragraph only. Okay, but this is how these tools like ChatGPT and Google Bart will going to write prompt for you. Okay, Now guys, it's time for us to tell these tools to optimize this prompt, because you can see we are only allowed with 700 words, right? You can see here, right? So the prompt which basically ChatGPT has provided, Google Bath has provided, okay, so you can use this one. But let's say this to ChatGPT as well. So now we can say, hey, can you optimize this prompt? Or I can say, can you hey, can you optimize above prompt description in one paragraph and should be in less than 500 words. Okay, do not include any links. Okay, so let's click on the enter button. Now ChatGPT will going to optimize it only in one paragraph like this. Okay, so it's just amazing, very in-depth, and you can see it has provided us with the optimized prompt. That means whatever it has here, it has just summarized it into a one paragraph, and it is looking crystal clear. If you want, you can just paste this same prompt in Google Bath as well, but it's already in a very good way. But you can also optimize it in the Google Bath as well. Okay, so it will just going to give you with these prompts, right? And if you want, here you can see at very top, this is the prompt given by Google Bath as well. And from this bottom you can also go with the different drafts as well. You can see view other drafts. Okay, so you can see there are other prompts as well, but let's go with, let's say, this one. So I will just going to copy this prompt, right click and copy this particular prompt, paste it over here. Okay, and you can see AI is written great description because we have optimized this prompt. Okay, but make sure that you first decide, like in our case we have first decide the block, and on that basis we have given prompts to ChatGPT. Now if you will just click on this create a website button, so now it will take few seconds for AI builder to generate the website. Okay, so just wait for few seconds. It is designing a complete layout, okay, on the basis of our optimized prompt. And you can see it's almost done. You can see at bottom it's giving the how much percentage is remaining for our website to get completed. So it's it will not going to take longer than accept it. Your website is ready. Great. And you can see it has created the website for us according to the prompt which we have given to ChatGPT, right? So you can see digital Kunal, discover, unleash the power of digital marketing, and there are plenty of things you can see here. Okay, now how you can even customize it, we will going to teach you that right now. Okay, so now let's see how we can customize it. So to customize it, you can just click on this option of full edit mode. Okay, so just click on this option so that we can optimize or customize this particular website through the AI builder which we have. Okay, and it's very simple and easy. You do not require any kind of tech knowledge. Okay, so see, it's so simple. So for example, I want to make, let's say, image small, so I will click here. I can make it small like this. I can move it here and there. Okay, and let's say if you want to add some element, let me just make it small. And if you want to, you can see, like for example, if I just drag it top, let me just make it a little bit small like this, and let me just put it here. Unleash the power of digital marketing, start button over here. Okay, so you can see it's super simple to align anything. And now you can see there's so much gap. So in every section you will find this arrow. If you will just drag this arrow up, so you will going to see that you have decreased the space of the section. Similarly, if you drag this arrow down, so you will going to get more space. So hope you guys have understood how we can drag and drop. In case if you want to add some elements, so for example text, so just drag the text here like this, easy. And now here you can just write whatever you want. And if you want to edit this, you can simply click on this edit text. You can just change the color. For example, I can just make it, let's say, to this green color maybe, and I can just change the few things like size. So it's a very basic thing. Even I can add link here as well, right? So you can see explore best digital marketing, digital marketing blocks, like that. Okay, simple and easy. Now if I just drag this little bit down like this, and I can just put it over here like this, so it's looking somehow great. And if you want, you can just drag it here, and you can just drag it here. So you can see super simple and super easy, right? And now you will see the save button at top. So if you will just click on this save button, okay, so make sure that whenever you make some changes, try to save it, and then just click on update website. Okay, but saving is important, and you can update whenever you want, or you may think that now almost done. So you can just click on update. You can just click on this update website, and you will see in a few seconds it will be updated. Now you can just click on view your site. It will going to open in a new tab, and you will see this is how it will going to look like, right? So idea is somehow that amazing. And you can see this is how in reality it will going to look like. Here is your button, and you can see button is not working here. Okay, so we want that when we want people to read our blog. Okay, so we want that when someone will click on this button, they will just go to this blog page. Now here when you will click on this blog page, so here you will going to discover all your blogs. So now what you can do, you can just go to this blog. Maybe you can just copy this, right click and copy this URL. Just go to your builder, click on this button, click on edit button. Now we want to put that person, or when we want that when someone will click here, they will just go to this link. I will right click and paste the link I have just copied. Okay, and after you will do this, everything will be okay and it will be saved. Now you can change the style as well. For example, you do not want green color, so you can, let's say, go with the maybe yellow color. So I'm just teaching you just for teaching purpose, okay, but the rest it's all up to you, right? And you can also make the text size big like this. Okay, you can make the border width, you can make the corner. So you will see the corners of your button will be here because of this corner radius. Okay, it will be become rounded. So that's it. This is what it is. You can also change the color background, maybe white. So you can see the border will be in the white color from here. So it's a very basic settings. Okay, and one more thing, for example, if you click on edit, and you can also change like read blogs, like here I can say like this, somehow easy. Now just click on save button. So similarly you can just edit anything very easily. Okay, and there are various elements you can just put, let's say button, images, videos and all. And if you want to add one more section, so you can just click on add section from here, and you will see a lot of templates will going to show up. So for example, if let me just show you, for example, at the very bottom I want to add testimonials. Okay, I will click on add section, and from here you will see various templates you can put. For example, I can just go with, let's say, testimonials. I will click testimonials, and there are lots many testimonials. So let me just take this one. So I will just put that, and you can see it's all here. Okay, and I can just change the image. I can click here, click on this edit image, and from here you can just upload maybe your customers or anyone's image. Okay, so it's very simple and easy to do. And you can also change the text from here. You can see, just write whatever you want, blah 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 blah. Okay, you can just change the name from here, so it's totally customizable like this, you can see. Okay, so it's somehow very simple and easy to do, and hope you guys have understood. So I've taught you how you can drag and drop, how you can use some templates. You can just simply click on this add section, and from here you can just take any template you want to add about, and you can totally customize those templates, right? So I guess somehow that's simple. And you can also take some blank section as well. For example, if you will put here, so blank section is created. Now if you want to edit any section, maybe you want to change the background color of this section, so how you can do that? So you can just click on this section here, you can see, and then you will going to see the option of edit section from background color. Let's say you can even upload image here. Okay, but in this case, let me just take some background image. Let's say this green color, almost done. I will put it here, and inside here I can just put anything. For example, I can just put, let's say, anything you want. Okay, so for example, I can just put, let's say, video here like this. Okay, now you just simply need to click here, click on edit video, and here you can just put the URL of YouTube video. So it simply means that you can just go ahead on YouTube, and there whatever video you want to embed here, so you can just paste the link of that video and it will be embedded here. So I guess that's simple. You can even customize it like size, okay, whatever you want, like that. Okay, and you can also add, let's say, another section. Maybe you can just add maps as well. Okay, so there are various options like button you can add to a bag, maybe image, gallery, video, shape, map. There are lots and lots of elements which you can go with. Okay, in this case, what we can do is that we can just, let's say, put this image here like that. Let me just cross it, put this image here like this, and if you want to edit it, you can of course edit this image. Okay, you can just replace this image maybe from images, documents, or you can upload any image from your file as well, right? So I guess that's simple. Okay, and if you want to delete it, just select this and click on delete button on your keyboard. Okay, or you can just tap here and you will see this delete button option. I guess somehow that's simple. Okay, so that's how these elements work. It's very simple, easy and basic. Right now, if you will see here, we have this menu. So now let me just click on this blog. So you will just go to blog, and here you can just customize it anything, and of course you can just same add elements if you want to. Okay, and that's how it works. Now how you can customize this blog? So it's very easy, my friends. You can just click on this pencil button, just go here, and here you will find digital marketing tips. Basically you will see here we have blogs. Here we have only two blogs: digital marketing tips, the power of social media. So if you will click here, so digital marketing tips is the first blog, second blog is the power of digital marketing. And if you want to add more post, you can just click on this add new post, and you can add more and more. Okay, so if you want to go to, let's say, this particular blog, you can just click here maybe like this, and from here you can edit it. Okay, so it's very simple. Just click here. If you want to edit the blog header, you can just edit it, right? So lots many customization here. You can just paste your article here. Okay, so I guess somehow that's simple and easy. Okay, and it's very easy to do. Okay, and then we have this contact page here. Okay, so it's very simple and basic. And maybe here on this particular element you can see the map, and if you want to edit it, you can just click on edit map and just put your website address. It will automatically going to fetch the details here. Okay, and here are your contact forms. So if you will edit this form, so here will be your email. Okay, so whenever someone will contact you, so they will, this message, whatever your customers or visitors will going to type on this form, it will go to the email which you have put here. That's it. Okay, and you can of course explore all these different elements. It's very simple and easy. Even a normal kid can do, nothing such complicated thing. Okay, so that's how this works. Now this is how you can just customize any templates. And one more thing I just want to tell you is about this menu bar. So you can just go to this pages and navigation, and you can see right now we have home page, blog page, and contact. Now if you drag it here, maybe so you will see the contact will not be visible. It will be still published, but it will not be visible in front of your visitors. So to make everything visible, you have to put that under the main navigation here, or if you put anything under hidden from navigation, so it will just come up here. But let me just go it here, and you can of course add new page. So let me just teach you how you can do that. You can just click on this add page button, and then maybe I want to add, let's say, about us page. So I can just select, let's say, this particular template, and you can see about page is here. You can see about menu is automatically created, and now you can just customize it. It's total simple and easy. Okay, you can customize the image, change the image from here, change the text. Somehow that's simple, right? And that's it. Now you can just go to pages and navigation. Maybe I want about page in the third position, so I can just drag it to the third position, and make habit to save everything. It will be automatically saved sometime, but you also have to make sure that you manually save it. Okay, so that's how, my friends, you can easily customize anything, right? So it's super simple and super easy to do. You can also do same with the footer as well. You can just customize the text, phone number here, and for social media you can click on edit social icons, and here you can just put your icon, maybe your Facebook page link, and then click on save. You can add more links from here. Okay, so more social medias you can display, and somehow idea is that easy and simple, and easily you can just build any AI websites using tools like ChatGPT and Google Bath and prompt engineering, and with this AI builder, right? You can also see how it will going to look on mobile phones as well from here, and you can totally change it. Now the amazing thing is that, my friends, if you will just click here, so you will see auto fix layout. Click on here, so you can see automatically the layout will be fixed by AI itself, right? And the amazing thing is that whatever changes you will going to do on mobile, it will not going to impact on desktop version, and whatever changes you do on desktop, it will not going to impact on mobile version. So maybe in mobile version you want to make, let's say, different things. Okay, maybe you want to put, let's say, this discover in the middle. Okay, so you can also do that. You can just go here and make it to center. Okay, similarly you can just make this text to, let's say, center. Now you will notice one thing. If I just go to mobile desktop one, so still there will be nothing going to change on your desktop version. It will only going to change on your mobile. So in this way you can make your mobile customized as well and responsive as well, right? And make sure just click on the save button before you do anything. Okay, so hope you guys have understood the basics of how you can edit the things. Okay, and it's very simple and easy, my friends. There's nothing complicated. Even a child can understand this thing. Okay, so that's how you can just change elements. You can just add different elements, just drag and drop it here and there. It's very simple and easy. Okay, and we have taught you about the navigations, website styles. Now if you want to completely change the look of your website, so you can just do it from here. Then we have taught you the blog functionality. Okay, and this is related to e-commerce. If you want to add this, you can, but it's a very huge topic. Okay, and you can also use some AI tools. Okay, and there are many graphs and all, how many people are coming on your website, and many more. Okay, so let me just cross it, and hope you guys have understood the concept of how you can edit or customize anything on the AI builder. Okay, so now guys, let's see how we can use templates. Okay, to do this, so before we just go ahead, make sure you just update your website. So whatever changes you do here, my friends, it will all be visible on your live website like this. Okay, so you can see you have added the video, and also all these things will be available on your live website like this. So make sure you save and update it. Okay, now my friends, you can also use some predefined templates as well. Okay, but before that I just want to tell you, in case if you want to go with the online store and all, if you want to set up, or if you want to create everything from scratch, you want to be very much professional in using this AI website. So what you can do is that you can just type Kuku courses, click on this first website, and then just go to courses and just search for build website, and then you will going to see this course, build website with AI in few minutes, total 3 hours course. Of course this is a free course, but in this particular course we have just taught each and everything. We have just taught how to create blog. You can see this blog with ChatGPT and Google Bart in a very professional way. How you can design your website in a very professional way. So we have used all these AI tools. We have used these AI logos with strategies as well. Everything inside this course. I will also attach the link for this course in the down in the bonus lesson as well. Okay, after this lecture you will find one bonus lesson, so from there you can access this particular course as well, or you can just come to my website and through my membership you can just access all this material. Okay, and you can see, you can just play the review and you can just create professional website. We have just covered everything from scratch, how to set up payment gateways, everything and everything has been taught inside this course. And not only about this course, my friends, if you will just go to courses tab, you will find amazing technology courses with AI, build and sell APIs. Okay, and there are various amazing courses, latest courses, mid journey course. You can see all these are latest technology. Build your own SMTP with email servers and send bulk emails. So in my website you will going to find very amazing and valuable and updated courses, okay, which updates every time. And you can see we have courses on all these topics, so you can just access it through the membership. You can simply click on this sign up button, and then you can just set up your username, email, set your first name, last name, password and everything. If you want, you can choose membership, and if you are choosing lifetime you can just use 50 discount here. Click on this apply button and you can just get it for half the price. Just select I'm not a robot, register and make payment. Okay, so in this way you can just sign up for the membership and you can access all the courses from our website. And also one more thing I just want to tell you, for some people, so for some country people, our website will not going to accept directly. For example, if you're living in India, Pakistan maybe, so for some countries we do not accept it directly. So in that case you can just go to support. Okay, and you can just click on unable to make payment, click here button, and then you can also pay us manually. Okay, so you can see we do not accept in some countries. Okay, so you can just pay us manually, for example, especially if you're from India, so you can just pay us with the method 2. You can also take both yearly and a lifetime plan as well, right? So lifetime will going to cost this much. You can use again 50 discount here as well to get it half the price. Okay, it's in Indian currency by the way, because it is for India people. But except India, if you're from any other country and our payment is directly not getting accepted from this website directly, so in that case you can just go with method 1. Okay, so here also you have both yearly as well as lifetime plan. So you can see the yearly plan $20 per year, lifetime plan you can also use 50 discount here as well to get it for half the price, and you can pay us manually as well. Okay, and we will going to activate your plan within 24 hours if you will go with the manual method. And you can also contact to the support in case if it still doesn't work, right? So this is about my website. Make sure you explore it, do not lose this opportunity. Very amazing and valuable courses you will going to get from my website. Now if we just come back here again, so if we just talk about some templates, so if you will just click on these 3 dots, okay, But make sure that when you choose a template, so you will going to get lot many options as well. For example, for e-commerce, for photography, for fashion, you will find lots many template. For example, currently I've chosen fashion, so related to fashion I'm going to find various templates. You can just simply preview it whatever you love. Okay, so for example, if you want to go with the e-commerce settings and all, so for example, I want to create, let's say, this e-commerce website. I want to import this, so you can first of all preview it and see how this website will going to look when you will going to import. About the shop page, right, everything is showing up here. So maybe let's say you are liking this particular template for the e-commerce. If you will just select e-commerce category, by the way, you can choose any category you want. Okay, and let's say I love, let's say, let's say this website. Let me just preview it. Okay, I'm liking this particular one. So in this case I can just go to back, and I can just choose it again to e-commerce, and let's say I want this particular template, or let's say this template, any template you want. Just see how it is looking, and after you will select any one of them, you can just simply select that template. And make sure, my friends, if you want to import this template, so it's but obvious that remaining that means existing data on your website, that means whatever data we have created with AI and ChatGPT and prompt engineering, okay, and Google Bar, so this data will be removed and this data will be imported, because it's but obvious that you only have one domain. Inside that domain only it will going to work, so it will going to replace all this content with this template. Okay, so let's say we want it, so I will just click on this change template, and then you will just see the magic. In very few minutes every data will be imported to the to your builder. Okay, and now just click on this save button. Let's update the website. Now if you will just go here and refresh your website, now you can see on your domain which you have purchased, everything will be changed with the template you have imported. So it's super simple to import these templates, and now you can just do the same thing, same options, same feature. Okay, if you want to change this menu, just go here menu, and you can just do whatever you want. For example, you want, let's say, news in the second one, just drag it, so you will see news will come second. Same functionality which I have taught you, same thing, you can just drag it here and there, right? So it's very simple and easy to drag. And if you want to change the background of this image, you will click on this let's say this section, click on this edit section. Okay, and you can see currently this is the image, so you can just replace it with other image. So this background image will be removed, and whatever image you want, it will come up here. Okay, so it's very simple and easy, my friends, just explore it. Okay, and if you want to learn in very in-depth, like how this online store works, how to manage products, how to add your payment gateways, everything is taught in this particular build website with artificial intelligence course from scratch. So you can just explore it, learn it. If you want to use AI tools, technologies, ChatGPT and Google Bath and this AI builder in a very professional way from scratch, so make sure you just explore this particular course. It will really going to help you out. But in basics, whatever I have taught you, I think it will be enough for you, and you can just proceed and you can just customize your website totally. Okay, so this is how I just want to tell you about how you can customize and use other templates, and you can easily import it. Now similarly, if you want to import some other templates, you can just go ahead anytime, you can choose any template and import it. That's it. Okay.